My hand treatment cream is an intensive skin treatment cream created specifically to address the needs of often neglected hands. Formulated with propanediol and or banchi rapum extract, which is a holistic skin renewal and accelerator that promotes deep hydration, reinforces skin barrier function, maintains the skin microbiota, and brightens, evens, and improves skin tone and texture. Niacinamide is a derivative of vitamin B3 with anti-inflammatory properties to help relieve blemishes and skin irritations, help boost skin metabolism to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, and diminish hyperpigmentation and combat free radicals. Glycerin is a humectant, a type of moisturizing agent that hydrates the outer layer of the skin, helps improve the skin barrier function, and protects against skin irritants. Vitamin B5 is a plant-derived provitamin of B5, also known as panthenol, that helps hydrate skin and strengthen the skin cells to boost the skin's ability to ward off toxins in the environment. Please visit nasifmdskincare.com to learn more.